Brazil, home to the biggest mosquito-producing facility in the world. More than 100 million mosquitoes are bred here and infected with a naturally occurring bacterium called Wolbachia. And that simple biological twist is enough to stop mosquitoes from transmitting disease. The Wolbachia bacterium, which is harmless to humans, essentially takes up room in the cells of the mosquito where the dengue would be. But now, there's no room for the virus to move in. Now, when the Wolbachia mosquitoes bite someone with dengue and then bite a healthy person, they won't transmit the disease.
Wow! Look at this!
So this is where you have our adults, right? So in every cage of this can holds up to 150 or 160,000 mosquitoes. So
150,000 mosquitoes.
Yeah, exactly.
That is simultaneously really cool and kind of a nightmare. I want to see if they come to my hand. Oh, yeah, they almost started to get me already. This is easily the most mosquitoes I've ever seen in my life. This is probably the same amount as I've seen across my lifetime.
So those are the eggs.
You mean like the little specks of dirt? Those are eggs?
Yeah, exactly, those are the eggs, the mosquitoes' eggs.
Those are tiny. So then how many eggs are on this whole thing?
On one strip of this, we have around 50,000 eggs.
50,000 eggs?
Yeah, and you can have strips with 100, 200,000 eggs. It depends on how many eggs they have laid. That's why we expect to produce 100 million eggs per week.
The mosquitoes start as eggs, hatch into larvae, and then grow into pupae, finally emerging as an adult mosquito all in about a week. After the eggs have been exposed to Wolbachia here, they're shipped to community stations around Brazil, where they're grown into adult mosquitoes.
Look at that.
But this is just the beginning. Next, the Wolbachia-infected mosquitoes are going on the trip of a lifetime. We arrive in Gloria, an area hard hit by dengue. It's time for the mosquitoes to get to work. The Wolbachia mosquitoes will breed with the wild mosquitoes so that their offspring will carry Wolbachia. And now, when these Wolbachia mosquitoes bite someone infected with dengue and then bite a healthy person, they won't transmit the virus. World Mosquito Program releases up to 200,000 of these mosquitoes a day in the hardest hit areas. And it seems to be working. Dengue cases have fallen up to 90% in some locations. So the Wolbachia method seems promising, but it's expensive. And it only works on Aedes aegypti, the mosquito that carries dengue. It doesn't work, at least not yet, on the mosquito that carries malaria.